Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we'll be showing you how to use Jupitrr AI for the first time. If this is your first time, well, stick around to the end because we'll be taking you through the different parts of Jupitrr AI to boost your workflow. Also, if you haven't signed up for Jupitrr AI just yet, you can use my code JohnCarloCaras for 10% off in the description below. With Jupitrr, you can take your talking videos into social ready reels, as it says on the website. Jupitrr helps you to dynamically edit your videos and make them social media ready. This is great if you're trying to maintain a channel. Jupitrr AI has different plans. As we can look at the top right here, clicking on pricing, and you can see the different pricing plans. Now, it is important to look at these different pricing plans so you can know the limitations depending on each of the plans. Not just limitations, but also features that come along with them. You have the starter, creator, pro, and business. We'll be coming back to the pricing in a moment. But going back to the home page, you can see that in order to start, you can look at the top right corner where you have the sign up option. You also have the get started free button right here, which you can use. And so as a first timer, we're going to be clicking on get started for free. Then on this page, you have the choice to use your Google or to continue with email. In some cases, if you prefer continue with email, you can click on it. Then you'll need to provide your work email and provide your password. So as you can see, we have our email and we have our password, and we're going to go to the next point. And on this page, you'll need to tell Jupitrr about yourself. And the purpose of this is to help Jupitrr customize its services around your needs. So we have the first question here, and all of these questions need to be answered. And that's why you can see the red asterisks right there. So the first question to answer to is what best describes you. It is a drop down and you have about 5 options here. You can choose between consultant or coach, small business, mid-sized business or enterprise, content creator, hobbyist, or for school. So we can go ahead and say small business, and here it says, where do you want to post your content? You can click on the drop down once again, and in this case, you can choose multiple. You could choose YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. This is really your choice, and you can go ahead and choose all of them if you want. Then you have the third question, how did you hear about Jupitrr AI? When you click on the drop down, you can see some options such as friends or word of mouth, Google search, social media, which of course I believe this is what you should pick. And then of course you have product platforms, AI assistant, ads, and others. So we're going to go ahead and choose social media because we suspect this is where you are. So we're going to click on submit after all of this is done. The 3 questions have been filled, so go ahead and click on submit. Now, Jupitrr will be immediately asking you to try to upload a video. And you can see down here that it works best with videos under 2 minutes and in English. Of course, there is a demo right here, which you can watch to see how it will perform. Now, if you're not ready to upload a video immediately, you can simply come over to the top left corner and click on Jupitrr AI. It's going to take you back to the first page which we were in, but this time you can see that we're logged in already, and that's why you can see this slightly animated avatar at the top right corner. Now, at this point, instead of having signing up, you have create new. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this page where we were at. So you don't need to worry about leaving this page for the first time. So once again, we're going to click on Jupitrr AI. And here we'd like to show you 2 things you need to keep in mind, although this is your first time. So have it in mind. You have the affiliate option here, and you also have the blog. Now, this is the affiliate page, and we'd like to know that you can use this as an opportunity to refer your friends and followers and earn a 30% commission on every payment they make. So you're actually using Jupitrr for your benefit, but also spreading the word and letting others know that they can use it will earn you some side bucks. In order to do this, you need to come over to this page to find out more details in order to get the benefits. Now, still on the home page, when you go over to blog, it's going to show you some inspiration of how Jupitrr AI works best in different samples. You can see here 8 personal branding videos examples for professionals, and here you can see best video editing tools for LinkedIn, how to post a video on LinkedIn, etc. So this is basically a blog which you can use to educate yourself some more if you'd like to know more. Now we're back here on Jupitrr, and we're going to go over to create new, and this looks familiar because we've been here before. So we can click on upload a video, and after selecting this video, you can see you'll need to provide the name of the video. So we're going to provide a name. Now, of course, we just gave it a video name called intro, and you can see the language is selected as detected language. Now, when you click on the drop down, you can see the different languages which you can use. So this shows you that Jupitrr is really available to a wide range of languages. So we're going to leave it in detected language and click on continue. So what this does is it's going to follow about 3 steps to process your video, and this is going to take a few minutes depending on the length of the video. The first step is to upload your file. Of course, this is what it's doing. It's currently at 13 or 14%. And then you can see that it's going to need to generate subtitles, which you're going to wait for that. And then it's going to add visuals. Now that's the interesting part, which is what we're going to be looking out for. Now here on this page, we have our presets, video, subtitles. Now, when you look at your presets, this basically is all about the styles of your video. So currently it's on subtle, then you have power, clean, aesthetic, and bold. Now, if you're a first timer, this might be strange to you because you might be wondering, as Jupitrr doesn't really explain it much. But when you click on clean and you have a closer look here, you can see what this person is saying, promote yourself, and you can see how the text looks like. Then under aesthetic, you can see how the text also looks like. So that's what it's really about. So we're going to be choosing power, and then we're going to play the video.
The modern content creator must be more than just a wordsmith or a visual artist. They are architects of attention. In a landscape saturated with information, the ability to not only produce compelling content, but also to strategically distribute and engage with an audience is paramount.
Now, you might not have noticed this, but this video which I uploaded was only with this person. But when you play the video, at some point you can see a B-roll. So this video wasn't added by me, it was actually added by Jupitrr. So that's something you want to take note of, as Jupitrr will be having B-rolls. If we go briefly to video, you can see that it's added the B-roll, which we are seeing right now. Going back to presets, you can also see how the text is appearing. You can see here in the preview how it's going to look like, but if we choose clean,
the modern content creator must be more than just a wordsmith or a visual artist. They are architects of attention.
So you get the point. So you need to choose which is most appealing to you. And when you're done with this, you can go over to video. And as we explained before, you're going to see the B-rolls that have been added to your video. Here you have B-roll transition, AI emojis, and you might have noticed one of them. We're going to find that in a moment. Now here you have the AI emojis. And if we toggle this off, the AI emoji will disappear. Also, if you don't like the B-roll transition, you can actually come over here and cross it off, and this will take it away. Now, if you don't want B-roll transitions at all, you can toggle this off. Then of course you have your AI background music, right? And this is where the volume lever is. But if you're feeling overwhelmed by the volume lever, you can reduce it a little bit more to be more subtle. Then you have the custom watermark, and if you'd like to remove this to make some more original videos, you'll definitely need to upgrade. And this is of course one of the reasons why we took you to the pricing page, so you can know what you can do with the different pricing options. Then of course you have the outro. If you'd like to upload it to add to your video, Jupitrr will take care of that once you upload it. Then you have the subtitles. Now these subtitles are generated by Jupitrr AI from the audio of this video, and if there is any mistake, of course you could expect with AI sometimes, you can then do some little edits here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to the area of the video in order to see what it's showing at the time, and this is a great feature. And when you're done with everything, you can go ahead and export it with the button at the top right corner, or you can go back to your library, and right here in your library you have some controls on the left and some controls on the right top corner. And then in the center you have your recent videos, and this is the video which we just uploaded. So as a beginner, you're going to be seeing some details about your plan, and as you can see here, the plan is a free one, and it's going to show you how many minutes you have left to edit. And if you want to upgrade, you can simply click on it right here, or you can come over to the top right corner. Now on the left side, you can create another video, view your library, go through the affiliate link, get some answers to some FAQs, and here in settings, you can click on it, and it's going to show you your email that is connected to your Jupitrr account, the subscription plan once again, and you have the option to reset your password, delete your account, or you can log out or once again upgrade it. We hope at this point that even though this is your first time using Jupitrr AI, you're getting more conversant with the functionalities of Jupitrr AI. If you're wishing to sign up to Jupitrr AI, you can use my code JohnCarloCaras10 for a 10% off down below in the description. You can go ahead and start your creation journey, and thanks for watching.